this is Towers Pass, a Metroidvania platformer type style game, and by me, Richard Fang. So who am I? I'm an 8th grader. I go to Cadence Park, K through 8. I like playing video games and coding, and I've been working on this game for around 4 months, I would say. So the context for why I made this game is because I was very bored. I was at my house, I had nothing to do. I wanted to go outside and explore and like run around, but I couldn't do that because of COVID-19, which made going outside pretty dangerous. So that is why I created the game. I created a game where I can just run around and explore, which is the key topic of my game. So my game was heavily inspired on Hollow Knight and Mario. Hollow Knight because of the exploration aspects of it, and Mario because of the platforming. So my game was made with Unity. Unity has also made Escape from Tarkov, Overcooked 2, Rust, and Super Hot 2, which are very famous games, I'm pretty sure. So this is a live demo of my game. So here's my main menu. It's very simple. It's just a play and quit. Play and quit. If you quit, it just quits the game, obviously. And if you play, you get spawned down here. This is my character, and this is the map pretty much. So the point of it is to progress higher and higher. So pretty much I spawn here, so you can move with the WASD keys and jump with the space key. It's pretty it's just like any other game, really. So this is where you meet the first challenge. I made it so like I want the game to teach you how to play without like it. The game just pretty much teaches you how to play by itself. So pretty much the challenge here is that you can't make this jump. So you need something that can get you past this level, right? Kind of like this. So this is a platforming aspect of the game. You just platform around, and this is the exploration part. You have to go around and explore to get to progress higher. So this diamond right here, if I get this, I am now able to double jump, as you can see. So I jumped twice. I'm able to get out of this level. So there, I passed this part. So now as I progress higher in the game, I come here. Now it's just like a wall of boxes. And again, in order to pass like these stages, you need to just go around and explore. So come over here. Now you get a bomb. You just get the bomb on your head and you just carry it to the boxes and you press B to throw it. And now you just wait for it to explode. Okay, so now I just broke all the boxes there. And now you can see there's this person here who wants to talk to you. Hello, traveler. Thank you for saving me. Thank you for saving me. I wouldn't have able to get out of here alive. But sadly, here's where your journey ends. You see, the only way to progress higher in Towers Pass is by doing a legendary move called climbing. The only way to retain that ability is to pass the labyrinth, a place where only 12 people has ever escaped from alive. I can send you to the labyrinth, but be warned, many have attempted and they have all died. Also, just a piece of advice, all of your abilities will be disabled in the labyrinth. Anyways, good luck. I hope you survive. So I made the labyrinth a pretty small place because I didn't have enough time to like make it like bigger because of Game Gala coming up. So this is the first jump. I made it like really, okay, so I was supposed to make, it should have been really hard. I wasn't able to ever make the jump before. Well, I guess I made it this time. So then if you keep going up, you can just get to this loot box right here. And if you click on it, the chest opens up and you spawn back here. And now you can just wall climb like that. You just wall jump pretty much. So this is pretty much where my game ends. I don't have, this is, I'm trying to make more, but this is pretty much all I have to this point. So, yeah. Now, making this game wasn't really easy though. I had a lot of struggles and challenges. One challenge was making the NPC. The NPC is a lot harder. The script of it was a lot harder than I thought it would have been. Yeah, I can show you the scripts. So this is just a talk script where you saw, if you saw it earlier, if you noticed it earlier, you see when the player entered like a certain range, it had like a little talk thing. Oh, it had like a question mark over it. This thing if you went into its range, you can see this thing, which that's so this part is the script that enables that. And then turn on message. This is just a function that makes it so you can see it pretty much. And this is just the part that sees if you're in its collider or not. And then I'll show you a script for my platformer, which is the script that makes my player the ability to walk and run and all that. So pretty much these are all my variables. As you can see, I have like speed, jump force, and then a bunch of other stuff. There's a lot of variables. So then I'll show you my functions. Okay, so move, this function just pretty much allows me to move. As you can see, it's just like walking left and right and all that. And dashing, this is still something I'm working on. It's like another ability. It's not as good as I hoped right now, so I'm still gonna try and change it. And then next, this is a wall jump ability. So pretty much it just checks if a part of you are on the wall, and if you are, it allows you to just wall jump. Here's just the jumping part. Just checks if you're pressing the jump button, which is space, and if you are, it just makes you jump. Pretty much that's all. And then check for ground. This just checks if you're grounded. You see if you're able to jump. If you're not grounded, then you're not able to jump. So this is just the part that checks if you're grounded or not. Oh yeah, and these are just my bools over here. As you can see, this is this part. So pretty much when I got the diamond, this part just got enabled. So pretty much these are just the abilities I have. So then another challenge I had was adding the colliders. Adding the colliders was a lot harder. Well, it was just really time consuming because I had to like manually add every collider. Like, see these, I just had to manually add it. Oh yeah, these just shows all the colliders I had. I think there was an easier way to make it, but I don't really know the easier way, so I just had to manually add all of these. These diamonds just shows where the colliders are pretty much. And then making the levels, I'm not very good at like making levels and all that, and I tried to make it so it's like hard, but like to the point where it's like easy. I don't know how to explain it. It's like I want to make it like so it's like challenging, but like it's still easy if you're like it's still like easy to an extent where like you can still do it without like getting annoyed. So then that's all for the challenges. So these are the goals for the future. So for the future, I just want more NPCs like this that can like give out quests or like just make you do that, just like can add to the game. This one, all it does is send you to the labyrinth. This is the only NPC that I have right now. His name is Melf, and I'm gonna try and add more that can like give you quests and stuff. And then more abilities such as dashing. I've already implemented dashing, but it's not as good as I hoped or as I would like. So I'm trying to make it like better. And then not just dashing, I want to add like even more abilities than just that, like higher jump or fast. You can run faster.
Superpowers.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Like
fireballs when there's like snakes in front of you, or swing his hammer.
Oh yeah, swing a hammer. Yeah, that should be the thing I should implement too. I forgot he had a hammer. Wow. Okay, so superpowers, I'll take that into consideration. Yeah, so pretty much those are the things I just really want for the future. Oh, and then more levels. Right now my game is like really short. I just played it in like 2 minutes. So I would like to like add more than just this. So yeah, that's pretty much all my goals for the future right now.
Do you know your this game's link? I kind of want to play.
Oh, I don't have a itch.io page for it yet. I'm gonna make one. Oh wait, I'm gonna make one soon. But I'm releasing it when I think it's like good enough. No, I didn't make the sprites. I got it off of itch.io. Yeah, if I am ever releasing.
Where'd you get the character? Your character. Did you build it?
Character? No, I didn't. I didn't make the characters, but I made the maps. I got it. It's called Kings and Pigs. King.
Oh, that's why you didn't know. That's why you didn't know he had a hammer.
What? Yeah.
That's why you didn't know he had a hammer.
I just never like really noticed it. Okay, so this is where I got my art from. It's really good. I really liked it. But then, so yeah, I will be releasing on itch.io, but only when I feel like it's good enough. Just search Towers Pass like every so often, and maybe you'll see it at one point. So yeah, this is my contact, richardfang43@gmail.com. So just email me if you have like any ideas you think I can add to my game. Like, yeah, like superpowers and like swinging the hammer. That was pretty good. Oh yeah, so thank you. Also, Q&A. It wasn't really the end of my project yet. Q&A. So ask me any questions you have.
Richard, how did you implement the texture into your game?
Texture, like making the maps and all that.
Yeah.
So I used a tile palette. What this thing is like a paint tool. I just dragged all the like files onto here. And I was able to like draw like that. Like, see, I can make stuff like this. So yeah, this is how I like made the levels and all that. I just used this thing, the tile palette.
It's really cool. Also, guys, I enabled chat so can put it in the public chat. Your questions.
You can also do secret passages in your map, which makes it easier.
Secret passages? Yeah, I could add that. Oh yeah, there was kind of like a secret passage in my game, but I didn't like really like it, so I just got rid of it. Story. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I also want like NPCs to like give out like game story, like lore for my game. Like for example, the labyrinth. Well, that didn't really count actually. The labyrinth, like only 12 people ever survived. That's like kind of a story, I guess. Do you like fire? Cannon firing? Yeah, that could work. I had that idea actually, but like I never thought that it would be like useful really. But yeah, that could like, yeah, the cannon can like also like break these boxes instead of like carrying the bomb over here. So yeah.
And you added like a small mini game to pass a quest.
Pass a quest. Oh yeah, that was the labyrinth. It was like kind of a mini game. It was more like a quest to get the ability to wall climb. Really, like it was kind of a quest. Oh, it took around like 4 months. Yeah, it took like 4 months, yeah, to make the game.
How did you make the bomb part work? Does the bomb have a time limit to when it will explode, or is it just when you throw it?
It has a time limit to when it does explode. So, bomb here, it has an animator on it. So pretty much the animator, you change how long the explosion lasts. Let me see. Yeah, the rate is right here, and the explosion speed is 2. If I crank it up, then like it'll take a lot longer to explode. And if I like change my rate to like 0.5, then also take a lot faster then it'll take a lot faster to explode. So yeah, it just like you can just change how fast it is right here.
And how did you get it to destroy like the wall?
So I made the wall, these boxes right here. Where are they?
Can't you make any enemies?
Enemies? I feel like enemies could be a thing, but I feel like I want the character's main challenge is to be like platforming instead of enemies. I can edit.
It could drop loot, and your loot could buy stuff, and the stuff could do things.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I can do that. But this is pretty much how the bomb explodes stuff. So pretty much these boxes have a tag called bomb wall, and in the script, let me open the script.
Can't you use your bomb to destroy the boxes below?
Yeah, you can. I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, because they all have the same tag, which is just bomb wall.
But it will be useless.
Yeah, it won't help. Let me open the bomb script. So pretty much just sees. It checks so pretty much the bomb has like a bigger collider to checks if the walls are within its area. If it is, it just destroys those objects. I'll regenerate. I think it does. Actually, I don't think it does, because it used to, but then I deleted like some parts of the script that probably like made it regenerate. I don't think it does anymore, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't, actually. Yeah, the game would be over, but like, because the bomb doesn't ever come back, so then there's no way of getting past this part. But then like the bomb gives you, I think, enough time to get over there, because like even after I got to this side, I still had to like wait for like a few seconds until it finally exploded. So I think.
What if the bomb exploded on the player's head? Would it inflict damage on the player?
Oh, then it just nothing happens. The player doesn't die or anything. It just explodes on his head, really.
Wait, then he can just walk with the bomb on his head towards the boxes and not take it off.
Yeah, he can do that. But then, no, actually, yeah, he can do that, actually.
Do you want to try doing that? An experiment?
Sure. Also, I'm gonna see if the bomb comes back after I pick it up. Yeah, it just explodes on his head and nothing really happens. It still broke the walls though. Does it come back? No, it doesn't. Okay. So yeah, that works. Is that all for the questions?
When did you start making games? And also, have you made any previous games?
I started making games like around when I was in 6th grade, so that was like 2 years ago. Yeah, so I've been making games for like 2 years. And I have made many other games, but those haven't been really good because I was too, what's the word for it? I tried to make too much, but I didn't have like enough skills to actually make it. Yeah. So like, and most of the games end up like being really old. So like so when I like started using a newer version of Unity, they started to like corrupt and then like the game didn't really even work anymore.
Can you somehow glitch through the walls?
Glitch through walls? No, these you don't move fast enough to get past these colliders, I'm pretty sure. But there is one glitch, I know. Let me show it. I'm still trying to fix it right now. The glitch just like lets you like run around like this because of the bomb on your head.
Where did you learn to make games?
I learned first time learning. Yeah, I just learned at Coding Minds. That was the only place I ever really learned how to make games from.
Which class did you attend?
I attend Unity, taught by John. Yeah, I just attended a bunch of Unity classes. It was like level 2 and level 3. I learned like how to use the animator thing, and I also learned like how to make this like a Metroidvania style type game. The language is made in C#. That's the only language Unity uses, I'm pretty sure. When do I think I'll release it? I think I'll release it when like I just add a tiny bit more to the game where there's like a end. I'll release that, but then like I'll still work on the game and then like release like new updates whenever I can. Because I'm surprised people actually want to play this game, so I'll try and like release it as fast as possible. I have a GitHub page for this project, but like I haven't updated in a while. Sure, I can make one, but then yeah, sure, yeah, I can make it open source. I just need to like update it every so often, which I should do because Unity might crash and then I could lose all my progress on it probably.
That's a good idea. And also, Babui, he hasn't published the game right now, so you can't play it right now. Okay, if there's no more questions, we can end it. Angel?
Yeah, so thank you guys for coming tonight. Thank you, Richard, for showing us this amazing project. We will have another presenter either next Wednesday or Friday, and another Kahoot as well. So please look forward to that. And yeah, thank you guys for coming.